Hello everyone, this is JJ. Have you ever opened an image or a PDF and realized that you can't extract any text from it since it is just an image or a PDF? With the Microsoft Edge new AI tool update, you can immediately extract text from images or PDF in just a few steps, and you can integrate it with AI tools like Copilot or even ChatGPT. If you want to learn how to use AI in a more practical way, make sure to give me a subscribe and let's get started. So first of all, you need Microsoft Edge installed on your computer. If your computer is a Windows operating system, it comes downloaded by default. Once you're in Microsoft Edge, you'll see a layout like this. So let's say I want to open the PDF. Let's go to the PDF that I want to open, such as this education.pdf, and then I just right click it and then just go to open with, go to Microsoft Edge, and then it will open it for you. As you can see, this is the PDF I'm looking at. Okay, let's say here we have our PDFs and I couldn't highlight the text that I want to copy and paste or do anything with the text since it's a scanned text and it's just like an image. Go to anywhere in your PDF and just right click and go to screenshot, or easily just Ctrl+Shift+S, the shortcut for Windows computer. So just click on screenshot, and then let's say I want to extract the text here. So what I'm gonna do is just highlight it from here to here. Let's say I want to highlight it, and then it will give you a few options that you can do. If you want to extract the text, you can just go to visual search. Click on visual search, and then here it will look at images that are similar, but what you want to do is go to the text area here and click on text. And then as you can see, this is the highlighted text that it is converted from image to text. You can use it to copy and paste, let's say it's a number or serial number or anything that you want. So as you can see, this uses optical character recognition AI software to translate images, the text in the image, into actual text that you can highlight. And what I usually like to do is, since I'm learning Japanese language right now, I will see an information or image that I do not know what it means. Microsoft Edge makes it really easy to do all this, so I just need to again right click, go to screenshot, Ctrl+Shift+S, and then just highlight the text that you want to translate. For example, I want to translate this one, and then just go to visual search, click on it, and then you can go to either text or you can just directly translate, so you can automatically detect what the word is and then translate to English. Let's say 10 characters and 9 characters. This is what it means. As you can see, Microsoft Edge made it really easy for us to do this now. Yeah, I really like this feature. Give me your thoughts on how useful it is for yourself on your own application. You can also actually do it in Google Chrome, but it is using via Google Lens. I'm gonna show you in another YouTube video that's gonna be linked down in the description. So for now, I'll see you later and have a good day. Peace.